it's done. Oh, look at that big boy. Oh, come off there. Wait for it. That was disappointing. But then we have to add some rubber feet on here because if we don't, the sucker goes sliding off that shelf, and we don't want that to happen with that much weight on it. So I created a notch for that to set in so it won't disappear on it. My redesign, I cleared this, so if you want to use a wooden dowel, you can. And we're going to take our big old spool here. And there we go. Simple. Now I printed the base of PET G and I printed this rod out of ABS. So it should hold up pretty good. If you'd like the 3 kilogram spool holder, you can find it on printables.com and its number is 657200, or at makerworld.com and it's 72286.